Supercars that look like spaceships. Some supercars are designed to look fast, others look like they were built for another planet entirely. With fighter jet cockpits, impossible aerodynamics, glowing light signatures, and body shapes that seem decades ahead of their time, these machines blur the line between automotive design and science fiction. If spaceships ever needed wheels, they might look something like these. Nine. Apollo Intensa Emozione. Looking at the Apollo Intensa Emozione feels less like seeing a car and more like discovering an alien spacecraft parked on a racetrack. Sharp fins, massive aerodynamic elements, exposed carbon fiber, and aggressive bodywork create one of the most outrageous designs ever seen in the automotive world. There are angles, vents, and wings everywhere, making the car appear as if it was engineered for atmospheric re-entry rather than driving. Unlike many modern hypercars that hide their performance beneath smooth surfaces, the Intensa Emozione proudly exposes its purpose. Every winglet, splitter, and aerodynamic tunnel exists to generate enormous downforce and keep the machine planted at extreme speeds. Power comes from a 6.3-litre naturally aspirated V12, producing around 780 horsepower and approximately 560 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.7 seconds, reach a top speed near 208 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 2,750 pounds. The cockpit looks equally futuristic. Drivers climb over high carbon fiber sills into a cabin that feels more like a fighter jet than a supercar. Digital displays, race-inspired controls, and a highly focused seating position reinforce the spaceship illusion, creating an atmosphere that feels mechanical, intense, and completely unforgettable. The Intensa Emozione doesn't look road-legal, practical, or even realistic, and that's exactly what makes it impossible to ignore. 8. Pininfarina Battista. Light reflections move across the Battista's body in a way that almost makes it look alive. The Pininfarina Battista doesn't rely on oversized wings or exaggerated styling to appear futuristic. Instead, its smooth surfaces, flowing lines, and sculpted bodywork create the impression of a spacecraft shaped by wind tunnels rather than traditional automotive designers. Every angle feels intentional. The ultra-low stance, dramatic lighting signatures, and seamless aerodynamic details make the car look closer to a concept vehicle from a science fiction film than something built for public roads. A quad-motor electric powertrain delivers around 1,900 horsepower and approximately 1,726 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.8 seconds, reach a top speed near 217 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,800 pounds. The futuristic theme continues inside the cabin. Digital displays surround the driver, while the minimalist layout eliminates unnecessary distractions. Instead of feeling mechanical, the interior feels more like the control center of an advanced machine. What also separates the Battista from many hypercars is the silence. Without a traditional engine dominating the experience, acceleration feels almost unreal, as if the car is gliding forward through invisible force rather than combustion. The Battista doesn't look like tomorrow's supercar. It looks like something tomorrow forgot to take back. 7. McLaren Solus GT. Some vehicles look futuristic. The McLaren Solus GT looks like it was never meant to be seen outside a science fiction universe. Originally inspired by a virtual concept car, the Solus GT eventually became a real machine, carrying one of the most extreme designs ever placed on four wheels. The single-seat cockpit, enclosed canopy, and fighter jet-inspired shape make it look far closer to a spacecraft than a conventional hypercar. Even standing still, the car appears ready for launch rather than a lap around a racetrack. Power comes from a 5.2-litre naturally aspirated V10, producing around 829 horsepower and approximately 479 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.5 seconds, reach a top speed near 200 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 2,200 pounds. The body is dominated by massive aerodynamic elements, including huge tunnels, aggressive wings, and sculpted surfaces designed to generate extraordinary levels of downforce, making the car feel more like a Formula-style prototype than a road-going vehicle. Inside, the experience becomes even more futuristic. The central driving position, minimalist controls, and wraparound canopy create the sensation of sitting inside a high-speed spacecraft preparing for liftoff. If someone told you the Solus GT was built for racing on another planet, it would honestly be difficult to argue otherwise. Traditional car design disappears completely once shapes become this extreme. 6. Aston Martin Valkyrie. The Aston Martin Valkyrie doesn't look like it was designed by car engineers. It looks like it was designed by people who build spacecraft. Every surface of the Valkyrie exists because air demanded it. Massive aerodynamic tunnels run beneath the body, carving out empty spaces that make the car appear almost impossible. From certain angles, it looks less like a vehicle and more like a piece of advanced technology hovering just above the ground. Unlike traditional supercars that add wings and vents afterward, the Valkyrie's entire shape was created around airflow from the very beginning. The result is a machine that appears futuristic even among modern hypercars. Power comes from a 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12 paired with a hybrid system, producing around 1,160 horsepower and approximately 664 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.5 seconds, reach a top speed near 250 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 2,270 pounds. The cockpit continues the science fiction theme. Drivers sit in a reclined position similar to Formula One races, surrounded by screens, carbon fiber, and controls. Even the steering wheel looks like it belongs inside a prototype aircraft rather than a road-going machine. Every detail prioritizes performance and efficiency over conventional comfort. Standing next to the Valkyrie feels strange because your brain immediately understands it's a car. But your eyes keep insisting it's something far more advanced. Subscribe if you're enjoying this, because the next vehicle replaces doors with something far more dramatic. 5. Rimac Nevera. Engine noise is usually part of a supercar's personality. The Rimac Nevera proves it isn't necessary. The Nevera looks like a machine designed decades ahead of its time. Sharp lighting elements, aerodynamic channels, smooth body surfaces, and futuristic proportions give it an appearance that feels more like an advanced spacecraft than a traditional hypercar. Every detail seems optimized for speed, efficiency, and airflow. Unlike many exotic cars that rely on giant wings and dramatic styling, the Nevera achieves its futuristic presence through clean engineering. The body appears sleek and intelligent, almost as if it was shaped by software rather than designers. A quad-motor electric powertrain produces around 1,914 horsepower and approximately 1,741 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.74 seconds, reach a top speed near 258 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,100 pounds. The cabin feels equally futuristic. Large digital displays, advanced performance systems, and intelligent software constantly monitor every aspect of the vehicle. Drivers aren't just controlling a car, they're interacting with one of the most advanced performance computers ever built. What makes the Nevera especially unique is how it delivers speed. There's no rising engine note warning you what's coming. The acceleration arrives instantly and silently, creating an experience that feels almost unnatural the first time it happens. The Nevera doesn't sound like the future, it feels like it. 4. Lamborghini Sian FKP37. If a spaceship ever decided to disguise itself as a supercar, it would probably look something like the Lamborghini Sian. Nothing about the Sian follows traditional automotive design rules. The sharp edges, Y-shaped lighting signatures, aggressive vents, and futuristic body panels make it appear more like an alien machine than a road-going hypercar. Every angle looks dramatic, as though the car was sculpted for a science fiction movie rather than a highway. The unique headlights and taillights create a futuristic visual signature that instantly separates the Sian from every other Lamborghini before it. Power comes from a 6.5-litre, naturally aspirated V12 paired with a 48-volt hybrid system, producing around 819 horsepower and approximately 531 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.7 seconds, reach a top speed near 217 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,500 pounds. What makes the Sian especially futuristic isn't just the styling, it's the technology. Instead of using a traditional lithium-ion battery, Lamborghini equipped it with a supercapacitor system, allowing energy to be stored and released much faster than conventional hybrid setups. Inside, the cockpit feels like a command center. Angular surfaces, fighter jet-inspired controls, and digital displays surround the driver. Park the Sian beside normal traffic, and it doesn't look like it's from another manufacturer. It looks like it's from another world. Aerodynamics start looking like science fiction when engineers stop caring about convention. 3. Koenigsegg Gemera. At first glance, the Koenigsegg Gemera doesn't look like it belongs on Earth at all, but the Gemera completely ignores those rules. Its enormous body, dramatic proportions, and futuristic shape make it look more like a spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel than a road-going performance car. The massive dihedral synchro-helix doors add even more science fiction energy to the design. When they swing upward, the entire vehicle transforms into something that resembles a futuristic concept machine rather than a production automobile. Power comes from a 5.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8, paired with electric motors, producing a staggering 2,300 horsepower and approximately 2,028 pound-feet of torque. The Gemera can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 1.9 seconds, reach a top speed near 250 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,100 pounds. Inside, the spaceship feeling becomes even stronger. 4 full-size seats, advanced digital displays, premium materials, and a minimalist cockpit. What makes the Gemera especially unique is how it combines hypercar performance with grand touring practicality. Despite producing more power than many race cars, it still offers enough space for 4 passengers and their luggage. Park it beside ordinary cars, and it doesn't look like it's from another country. It looks like it's from another century. 2. Hennessy Venom F5. The Hennessy Venom F5 looks like it was designed to escape Earth's atmosphere. The moment you see it, the car feels different from ordinary exotics. Its low-slung body, fighter jet-inspired canopy, aggressive aerodynamics, and futuristic proportions create a shape that looks more like an experimental spacecraft than a production automobile. Every line appears focused on one thing, slicing through the air at unimaginable speed. Unlike many hypercars that prioritize dramatic wings and visual complexity, the Venom F5 uses a cleaner approach. Power comes from a 6.6-litre twin-turbocharged V8, producing around 1,817 horsepower and approximately 1,193 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.6 seconds, reach a claimed top speed beyond 300 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,100 pounds. The cockpit continues the spacecraft theme. The steering wheel resembles something from advanced aviation. Digital displays dominate the environment, and nearly every surface is wrapped in exposed carbon fiber. Sitting inside feels more like preparing for launch than preparing for a drive. At high speed, the car appears almost unreal. The combination of extreme power, lightweight construction, and advanced aerodynamics creates performance levels that seem closer to science fiction than traditional automotive engineering. The Venom F5 doesn't look like it's trying to break speed records. It looks like it's trying to leave the planet behind. 1. Devil 16. The Devil 16 appears less like a hypercar and more like a spacecraft designed for interstellar travel. Its razor-sharp bodywork, enormous rear section, fighter jet-inspired canopy, and extreme proportions make even the wildest supercars seem ordinary by comparison. Everything about the design feels exaggerated. The car sits impossibly low, stretches dramatically across the pavement, and features aerodynamic elements that look as though they belong on an experimental aircraft rather than a road vehicle. According to its creators, the most extreme version is powered by a 12.3-litre quad-turbocharged V16 engine, producing a claimed 5,007 horsepower and approximately 3,757 pound-feet of torque. It has a claimed 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2 seconds, a projected top speed exceeding 300 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,000 pounds. What makes the 16 so fascinating? The engine sounds almost unbelievable, the dimensions look exaggerated, and the numbers seem pulled directly from science fiction. Inside, the futuristic theme continues with a digital cockpit. Every detail attempts to reinforce the idea that this isn't an ordinary performance car. Whether viewed as a hypercar, a concept, or an engineering statement, the Devil 16 looks like the kind of machine that would arrive from another galaxy, and then ask where the nearest runway is. After seeing machines like these, ordinary supercars start feeling surprisingly normal. From futuristic hypercars to concepts that look ready for interstellar travel, every vehicle on this list pushed automotive design far beyond conventional limits. Tell me which one looks the most futuristic, hit like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more content like this.